Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can find TikTok profile links. So if you want to go ahead and share someone's profile to your friends or family, it's going to be very simple and easy. So feel free to watch the video till the end, and with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your TikTok application. So let's just say I want to go ahead and share this guy's profile right over here. So I'm going to tap on his profile, right? And now if I want to simply go ahead and share this profile, I'm going to tap on the top right, the triple dot icon right here. And once I've done that, I am simply going to go ahead and tap on copy link. And now if I go ahead to share it, let's just say I want to go ahead and share it on Instagram, right? If I want to go ahead and share it by pasting the link and sending it, as you can see, here's the link. So if I go ahead and tap it, it's going to simply take me to his profile. As simple as that. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.